know. Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
E te iwi nau mai haramai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga a whakaata Māori. Still muscling in there. Trying to get over that line. Great D by New Plymouth. Straight up. Oh, unfortunately, they got over there. Or fortunately, depends who you're supporting, I guess. Great try. Good. Ka whiu te pauro Horan. Kōkiri tū. Ka pai.
Testament to their school level, eh? It's fantastic. Here we go.
So, again, McCoy, who has got wheels to burn in the corner there. And in the corner goes Piroti Tauranga Kāreti Davis again with a strong tackle. And Ward. And again, they move, shifting it to their backs. McCoy coming through again, looking for his outside. And again, his winger going down the sideline now. And Kapiro Kiaia, number 14.
Malachi Emmett. What a ball.
What a ball at the back there. Outstanding.
That the big prop.
Yep,
It was
Kelly.
Big number one.
And a kick for the corner, and that is just outright speed.
Wow.
Piro te raki te koka o te papatakaro.
Oh,
Great take by Charlton.
Intercept. It's Corey Whippy. Is he bowling? Is he? He's going to make it, I think. Yeah, he's looking good.
Got there.
Try
Yes,
time.
Piro. Ka pai. Pai te ata kawe, Tauranga boys. And they're trying to roll this one in. Some good, and
oh wow, that's a beautiful try from Tauranga boys, wasn't it?
And Sosa, well and truly up there. Great patience here shown. Yes, well over the ball. So a lot of pressure put on here by New Plymouth.
Great hustle.
Fantastic. Kia kaha min.
I think he's in.
Pai te rā pero.
Try time. Clement with a bit of footwork.
I can feel the confidence. Outstanding. Can feel the confidence within the New Plymouth boys team. Feeling like they've got the boys, Tauranga boys under pressure. They must be te tahi mita. Pai te rā pero. Ka rawe, Chloe Sampson has called time. Reid, it's been a pleasure today doing this, calling this game with you.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.